Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy, week of 1019. So, what will we be learning this week? So, last week we focused on John Coltrane's A Love Supreme. It was a short week, and so we're trying to look at the difference between what type of knowledge you get from philosophy or rational speech, and what type of knowledge you can get from the experience of a work of art. And as an example, we looked at John Coltrane's A Love Supreme, at least the first and the final movement of that. We're going to continue that this week with 4 different works of art. And actually in all of these, one is a painter, one is a poet, one is a sculptor, and one is a singer. And we'll sort of continue to explore what type of knowledge can we gain from looking at art instead of, philosophy. So going along with that, there will be some questions in Chapter 11. So the questions I'll assign on Tuesday, they'll be due Friday. And then we'll also have a project. So it will be an art project that you will take a song and you're going to translate that song into a work of art. And I'll explain the details of that and hand you out the rubric for that assignment on Tuesday. And that won't be due until next week during the block schedule when you will present those. So I hope you have a great week and I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.